Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is Armstrong number. The video is a bit late today because I have to travel the whole day. So without wasting further time, let's get back into the problem. In Armstrong number, I have a number n. It's a 3-digit number. So let's take any random number. I am taking 5, 8 and 6. And I have to check 5 cube plus 8 cube plus 6 cube. I think it is cube. Yes. So I have to check whether it is equal to 586, the original number, or not. So if it's equal, then I have to return true. Otherwise false. So how to take each and every digit in a number n? So let's take one by one. So our number is 586. 586. If I mod with 10, if I take mod with 10, it will give me remainder which is equal to 6. So I am getting the last digit. How to get the second last digit? So 586. If I divide this number by 10, it will give me 58. Then if I further take mod with 10, it will give me 8. So I have also taken the second last digit. How to take 5? So for 586, if I divide this number by 100, it will give me 5.86. I am not taking double, I am taking integer, so that's why I am getting 5. So I have taken three numbers, so n1, n2 and n3. So now it's time for cube and check. So now let's back into the code. So n1 I am taking mod this, and n2 first I am dividing, then I am taking mod. So and n3 I am dividing 100. So just take the cube. If the number is equal to the original number, if sum is equal to n, return true, otherwise return false. So its time complexity is constant and space is constant. Thank you all for watching this video.